Hi, this is Amy. I'm going to recap today's class. First, he would talk about our schedule. He said our industry journal 4 will due to the May 3rd, and he will critique the industry journal 3 this weekend. Then, we were talking about the industry journal 4 in groups and discussing our article's main ideas and contents. He would emphasize we need to do the worksheet on our reader, page 87, and 10 to 15 vocabulary research. And he suggested it's better to highlight the main topic sentence on each paragraphs. Afterward, we learn well said chapter 9, the intonation. We definited the intonation first. The intonation is the fall and rise of the pitch of the voice. And then we were divided into 4 groups, and each group was discussing different 2 rules. Then each group need to explain them to other groups. So totally we studied 8 rules. First one is falling intonation at the end to indicate the completion of the sentence, and it also expresses certainty. 2. Rising intonation at the end to indicate surprise, uncertainty, or a desire for confirmation. The response like yes or no. 3. Rising intonation at the end used to request clarification. 4. Rising information used at the end of yes or no questions. And if it is a true question and you do not know the answer, use rising intonation. On the contrary, falling intonation sometimes used at the end of yes or no questions. And if you assume the answer, you can use falling intonation. 5. The intonation falls at the end of WH questions. And if the speaker is requesting a repetition, the intonation rises. The intonation rises on the WH word. 6. Use rising intonation to check the listener's background knowledge. 7. When given choices, the first alternative has rising intonation, and the second has falling intonation. 8. The end of a non-final thought group has a particle fall or particle rise to indicate more to come. After learning the intonation rules, we practiced the poem Dream Deferred, page 133. After break, we continue to introduce the projects in groups, including explain the teacher's feedback and what's your strengths and your improvements. At last, we write the feedback to Hayward in 2 sentences. First is one of my favorite things about this class is what, because blah blah blah. The second is I think what could be better, because blah blah blah. Okay, that's what we were doing today. And our homework is Industry Journal 4, due to May 3rd, and worksheet on reader page 87, 10 to 15 vocabulary research, and practice Dream Deferred on well said page 133. Thank you for listening.